Hey, what's up, Theta Network Holders? So this is live price prediction. Please never miss this update. Absolutely, if you miss, then you are completely at the lost. I will tell you, my brother. You can see this time all crypto market is very badly falls down, so the situation is going to be very critically. But Theta Network also starting falls down. Just only, my friend, and a few hours ago, my brothers, to Theta Network is falls down. Otherwise, my friend, from last 24 hours, Theta Network is absolutely moving upward very fastly. So as you can see this time, last 7 days chart is on the screen, and exactly this chart is gonna be very good now. My brother, oh, this is absolutely if I predict in this chart, absolutely you understand to upcoming jump. There are also more, there is more chances to them moving effort, because you can see here after this fails they take a jump. After this fails they take a jump. Yeah, so it's mean to jump is coming soon. But exactly the average you can see here, the chain negative, it's a this falls, my friends, you can see here. So I hope, my friends, in upcoming time they will move upward. The direction is moving upward. So and the change occurred in last 7 days plus 37.95%. The price is increasing very fastly now. 10.09 USD dollar is the price. But if you can see, at this time, this is the last 7 days price, and here if you can see here 7.92 USD dollar. Oh my goodness, the price is very badly decreased now. Why? What's the main reason today face down? If you check out the last 3 days chart, let's see whether the last 3 days chart. Yes, in the last 3 days chart again the price come out. You can see here 9.43 USD dollar. It's a very good news for all of you. You can see here 20.58% the price will increase now. And this chart is completely gonna show you to upcoming time there is more chances to them moving upward. Yeah, after a fail every currency has take a very bad jump, but every currency fails. After a fails they take a very huge jump, so exactly like that you can see here. And also after a fails they take a jump, and after a jump they fails down. So you need to hold this time because the price is completely increasing in upcoming time. You need to hold and wait for a good time. I hope they will make you a millionaire now. So thanks for watching, holder. Please like this video and also subscribe this channel, press the bell icon for videos notification.